UI home.
Hello there. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove noise from our audio using just our Android phones with TalkBack. Yes, you heard me right. You are going to learn how to remove noise from audio. So, if you have recorded an audio in a very noisy environment and you want to remove some noise, then it is possible using your Android phones to some extent. The noisy audio will not become entirely noiseless, but it is possible to remove noise to some extent in such a manner that the audio becomes clear to listen to. Before we get started, I would just like to tell you that you can always contact me on my socials through the links in the description box, or send me an email to guidancefortheblind@gmail.com, all small letters and no spaces. And with that said, let's get right into it. So we are here in our phones and I'm simply going to open Audiolab over here. This app is a very good and accessible audio editor. Some parts of it are inaccessible, but for the most part it is very accessible and a very good audio as well as a very good video editor. So for that you can also check out my playlist on Audiolab, though those videos are a bit old, so you might find that Audiolab's interface might have changed from the time that I've recorded those videos, but the interface is still pretty simple to navigate. And we'll open Audiolab.
Audio lab. Audio lab.
Now we will find the option of audio noise remover.
Merge. Convert. Reward add feed. Symbols. Advanced split. Reward add. Silence remove. Effects. Reward add feed. Normalize. Sound master. Voice changer. Speed changer. Add as effect. Reverse. Reward add. Volume boost. Reward add feature. Reward add. Reward add feature. Noise generator. Reward add feature. Wave generator. AI editing tool. Audio noise remover. 1 of 9. Enlist. 9 items.
Here's audio noise remover below the heading of AI editing tools.
Audio lab.
So here I have an audio where I have recorded an audio with my fan on, and there is like a bit of noise. Like there's not much noise to show for, but there is a little noise. So here I'll simply select the audio.
Album art. Page. Out. Album art. Voice 013. Unknown. 0015. M4A1 of 55. Enlist audio list. 55 items.
So I can select this audio, and when I swipe ahead, I get the option of audio options.
Audio options. Button.
And from here, I can play and check whether I'm selecting the correct audio or not. So I'll simply select this audio.
Album art. Remove noise.
And I'll play this and show it to you guys how it is sounding.
Voice 0. Undo. Redo. 0. Play. Pause recording. Button. Standard.
This audio is being recorded for testing out how noise remover works with Audiolab. So let's see how much it works out. So as you heard that there was a bit of noise over there, and I had like my fan on, so for that reason there was some noise of the fan, which we are going to try and remove. Now what happens here in noise remover is we just have to check some check boxes basically, and that's about it. So what we have to do basically is
Audio bitrate. Default. Drop down list.
leave all these options unless you are a pro audio editor. Okay.
Audio sample off. Pro feature. Image. Asterisk first. Please click here to see help.
You can click here to see help.
Remove white noise. Checkbox.
Remove white noise checkbox.
Remove idle noise. Checkbox. Remove shellac noise. Checkbox.
So all these options are there. Remove vinyl noise, remove shellac noise. We have to just check the checkboxes for the noises that we want to remove. So for example, if we want to remove shellac noise, we'll check that checkbox. And in case if you are not sure about which noise is what you have to do is just go to YouTube and type out the name of that noise. You will get several videos with those noises, so you can just play and check which one matches best with your use case, and you can just come here and check that particular checkbox. Now in case if these options are confusing, like what is white noise, what is vinyl noise, below that we have some options which are going to be useful.
Frequencies. Remove clip. Reduce broadband noise. Noise profile. Checkbox. Remove heavy broadband noise. Dialog enhance. Checkbox.
So this is dialogue enhance. We can check this checkbox. This basically enhances the dialogue that is being spoken.
Dialog enhance moderate. Checkbox.
Moderate, and then we have aggressive.
Dialog enhance aggressive. Music enhance. Checkbox.
And again we have the same option for music enhance.
Pro feature. Voice in a reasonable recording environment. Fans, AC, computers, etc. Checkbox.
So now
Pro feature.
below this pro feature heading, we have the options that we might find useful, as you know, if we do not know which noise sounds how, so we can make use of these options.
Voice in a reasonable recording environment. Fans, AC, computers, etc. Checkbox. General use in a reasonable recording environment. Checkbox. Voice in a noisy recording environment. Checkbox. General use in a noisy recording environment. Checkbox.
So you can check the checkbox which suits your use case in the scenario of that audio.
Speech in a reasonable recording environment. Note that speech means speech, not other human sounds. Laughter, coughing, etc. are not included. Checkbox. Voice in a noisy recording environment. Aggressive. Checkbox.
And now we have aggressive and all that. So you can check the checkboxes that you want according to your use case. You can check more than one checkbox at once. For example, you can check the checkbox of dialogue enhance and voice in a noisy recording environment. Okay, you can check 2 to 3 checkboxes, many checkboxes at once, as many as you want. Now in this case that I have noise of a fan, I'm going to check the checkbox of remove white noise, since fans come in the category of white noise. I can check the checkbox of that fans AC one, but if there is your fans noise is the only noise that you want to remove, I would prefer that you check the checkbox of white noise instead of checking the checkbox of that reasonable recording environment fans AC one. Okay, but if you have noises besides fans, like along with fans, then you can check that checkbox. So you will learn how to decide what checkbox to check based on how much practice you go through. And I'll simply check the checkbox.
0050. Play. 0050. Create brief. Voice in a reasonable recording. Dial. Remove. Reduce broadband. Remove and frequencies filter. Remove shellac noise. Remove vinyl noise. Remove white noise. Checkbox. Checked.
And this is the only checkbox I want to check currently.
Frequencies. Create preview. Button.
And above your home button, you will have an option of create preview, which I'm just going to press.
Creating preview. 5162%. Remove noise. Pause recording. Button. Standard.
This audio is being recorded for testing out how noise remover works with Audio Lab. So let's see how much it works out. So as you might have noticed that there was a significant improvement in the audio, though the audio quality got a bit bad, but still there was a significant improvement in the audio. And what you can now do
Asterisk first. Checked. Remove white noise. 0050. Redo. Undo. Voice 0. Open navigate. Save. Button.
is just simply click on save as soon as you are done with this. Now there are two things that I want to show you now. Okay, so the first thing is that if you are not sure, like for example, if in this case, if I don't like the sound of this audio and I want to check the checkbox, I want to check some other checkbox, for example. So what I can do is simply press undo, okay, and then check the checkbox that I want to check for editing the audio. If you do not press undo and check the checkboxes here only in this in this audio only without undoing, then what is going to happen is it is going to apply the noise filter on top of the edited audio, okay, like on top of this audio. Okay, I know this might sound very confusing, but try to rewind and understand what I'm trying to say. Like for example, if you have audio 1, you created another audio like by clicking on generate preview, which is your audio 2. Now if you do not click undo and if you check the checkboxes and click on create preview, then the edits are going to happen on top of audio 2 only. It's not going to happen on top of audio 1. Okay, so if you want to edit audio 1, you just have to press undo, so it will come back to the original state that it was in, and then you can again check the checkbox that you want to. The second thing I want to show you is noise profile.
Remove idle noise. Remove shellac noise. Frequencies. Remove impulsive. Remove clip sample. Reduce broadband. Noise profile. Checkbox.
This is the option of noise profile, and this is a very useful option, so you just press here.
Checked. Select time duration for noise profile.
Select time duration for noise profile.
Selected. 1 second. Radio button. 1 of 3. Enlist. 3 items.
Noise profile is basically you are selecting a segment of your audio which contains the noise that you want to remove. So for example, if you have a segment of audio that is only having the sound of fan, so you will select that particular segment of the audio, and then when you generate the preview, it is going to remove the sound of fan from the entire audio. Like whatever sound was there in that segment of the audio, if it is there in any other segment of the audio, it is going to be removed. So that is basically noise profile.
Not selected. 5 seconds. Radio button.
So you
2 of
can
3.
select the duration.
Not selected. 10 seconds. Radio button. Select starting time of noise profile. -0000. Out of list.
And just enter the starting and the ending point of your noise profile.
0.0. Value 0000. Slider. Off. Apply noise reduction. Switch.
You can also apply noise reduction.
Remove heavy broadband noise. Checkbox.
And that's it.
Off 0.0. Value 0000. Slider. 259.0. Value 0000. Slider. 518.0. Value 0000. Slider. Off. Apply noise reduction. Switch.
And then what you do is simply click on generate preview and then you save it. Now since I'm not creating any noise profile over here, I can just save the audio by clicking on save. If I click on generate preview, it's going to generate it on top of the audio, just like I explained now. So this is how you can, remove noise from your audio, and then you can just go to your file, whatever you have, Google Files or File Manager, My Files, whatever you have, go there and just, click on recent files or maybe audio files and just check your audio. Okay, you're going to check the audio before you save, right? So you can then do whatever you want after saving. Okay, you'll get the audio that you have saved in your My Files, okay, whatever file manager you use. So that, guys, is it for today's video, and be sure to hit that subscribe and like button before going, and if you have doubts, do not hesitate to put them in the comments down below. So that guys, that is it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Side key settings. Detected. Image. Text. Description.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.